Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add product weight in Wix store. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our product. Now go to Wix website editor. Now hover on Wix and then you see go to dashboard. So click on it. So we are going to add product shipping weight. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see catalog, hover on it and then you see stored product. Again you see product, so click on it. So this is our product. Now click on it. Now product is open and scroll down. Now you see inventory and shipping and then you see shipping weight. So you can add weight according to requirement. Now 10 and then click on save and then you see organic product was saved. Now product weight is added. So if you are using shipping charges depend on your product weight, then you can add weight and you can charge customer based on shipping weight in your store. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.